here. Today we will be doing the unboxing and overview of the refurbished OnePlus One bought from ebay.in. Let's get started. It was a normal eBay packaging, nothing to complain here. We have already opened it. Here's the box. It came with a certified pre-owned logo, and it was bought from the seller rockingdeals.in. and it had good rating in the eBay, so I made a go. Let's unbox. 3 seals were there, and we have cut through all of them. And here's the phone, OnePlus One, nothing else. It came with a cover. We have removed it beforehand. And here's the logo, Rocking Deals. As you can notice, there are a few minor scratches and dents here and there, but nothing to complain about. Apart from that, here we have also got a warranty card stating to register the product within 15 days to claim warranty. If you want, of course. Then for the opening up, here found a charger, a standard charger of unknown brand. Output 5 volt 2 amps. Standard charger, of course. Next we have a SIM ejector tool. Nothing else. Okay. Let me repack all of them. Okay, now coming towards the phone. The screen did not have much scratches and it was quite clean. I was surprised. You can see some dents here and there around the corners. Here's the Rocking Deals logo, a mark of certification perhaps. Bottom appeared quite clean. Coming towards the back, there was one good scratch running along the length, and the top was quite clean as well. So to sum up, few dents and scratches, nothing to worry about, and all this was expected for a pre-owned device. So that's it. That's OnePlus One, and everything is working perfect. Just wait for the review. It will be posted below.